Practice, practice, and practice is essential at this time of your journey. What does that mean? You may have already thought you've been doing this through your revision, but how many practice papers have you done? My challenge to you is to try to create the exam environment the best way you can. Find a quiet space in your house, have a timer, print the exam paper off and go for it. Try to create the exam pressures the best way you can. At this stage, practice this process as many times as you possibly can. It will help eliminate the shock factor of the real exam stresses and support you more effectively in the preparation. You will also build confidence through this experience. For example, before I started speaking on a daily basis and become the speaker I am today, I used to go to empty classrooms or lecture halls at my university and practice thousands of times. I visualized the crowd and the different dimensions of talking in front of a crowd. I told you I'm all not a natural speaker, so it needed to be done. I practice with the same intensity I talk in front of a crowd with. So now you need to revise and practice old papers with the same focus and intensity you need to carry with you on exam day. So start this now. Attack the next couple of months with intensity.